Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl. And in this video, I'm making for you a patty melt Smashburger style on the Blackstone Griddle. Also, if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to the channel. Also hitting that notification bell. I'm almost at that first milestone of 1,000 subscribers. So please consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you nothing and it supports the channel. Now with all that out the way, let's get to making this recipe right after this. All right, real quick, let's go over the ingredients. All right, first off, you have Swiss cheese, 80-20 ground chuck or ground beef, rye bread, butter or mayo, onions, cooking oil, seasoning salt, and mushrooms, which are optional. All right, the story behind the patty melt, it's been a sandwich that's been around for years. I've been making it in various restaurants that I worked in, but I'm just now finding out that pretty much it was a sandwich that was allegedly, or the rumor has it, that was invented by a restaurateur called Tiny Naylor somewhere around 1959. But the sandwich was actually made popular by celebrity chef Wolfgang in one of his restaurants called Granita. Yeah, so with the exception of the mushrooms, a classic patty melt is rye bread, a burger, melted Swiss, and caramelized onions on toasted or grilled rye bread. I'm toasting my bread with mayo instead of butter, so that's why you see that as one of the ingredients, but you can use butter if you choose to. The other thing is I added mushrooms. That's optional. I've had it with both mushrooms and onions. I'm just now finding out that traditionally it's only supposed to be onions, but I love mushrooms, so I decided to add it as well. Alright, so pretty much just from here on, just follow what I'm doing in the video. And also, this is a smash burger, so that's a whole nother situation. But I'll have a link to one of my smash burger videos, but this is also a smash burger video somewhat as well. Alright, so like I said, just continue to follow what I'm doing step by step, and if you decide to make this recipe, it should come out just as good and pretty much look the same as well. So here you go. the classic patty melt minus the mushrooms. And the reason I say minus the mushrooms because that wouldn't make it classic. Also, as you can see, I did it as a double. So once again, I just want to thank you for coming to this channel and checking out another video. Check me out on social media at Cooking and Grilling with Carl on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Also share this video with family and friends on social media. Definitely give a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And just continue to keep coming back to the channel. Also put in the comments what you want to see me make. On that note, I say God bless, peace.